Welcome to Development Aid Video Introduction for Experts. Learn all about membership benefits and tools. Feel free to watch the entire video or use the timestamps to skip to the topics you are interested in. A quick reminder: you're never on your own here. Our member support team and your career advisor are always ready to guide you. Besides our AI-powered chatbot, which can answer most frequently asked questions instantly, we also provide live human support. And if you're looking for quick answers or helpful articles, check out our knowledge base. It's full of useful guides and solutions to the most common questions. In a world where everything is getting automated, we're proud to still connect you with real people who care about your success. Before exploring opportunities, make sure your profile is complete and up to date. This is the first thing recruiters see. Start by checking that your latest CV is uploaded. You can keep up to 5 documents on your profile. Next, review your personal details and write a clear headline that captures your expertise. For example, communications specialist, public relations and outreach. In the About section, you can keep or edit the AI-generated text. Add your own voice and include important keywords and phrases that reflect your skills and sectors of work. It helps recruiters find you easily. Complete your experience, education, trainings, and languages. Every detail adds credibility and boosts visibility in searches. With your profile ready, let's move on to one of the most popular areas of the platform, the job board. The job board is where thousands of international jobs and consulting opportunities are published every day. Use advanced search to filter by sector, region, job type, organization type, or level of experience. The more specific your filters, the more relevant your results. You can also search using keywords, both in the titles and descriptions of jobs. For instance, type project manager or education consultant and use operators like and, or the asterisk symbol for partial words. If you're unsure, click the How to Search icon for a quick guide. Saving searches is an efficient way to store, name, and re-access the criteria you've used to find opportunities. Multiple searches can be stored at once. To save a search, introduce at least one keyword or filter and click Save Search. Clicking the name of a saved search will instantly restore it. There are 2 ways to apply for jobs. Method 1, Easy Apply. Apply directly via the platform. A pop-up window will appear where you can adjust your message and upload your CV or choose one from your profile documents. Method 2, Apply Now. When an organization uses an external link, the Apply Now button will redirect you to the company's official website. You can always track your progress in the job application section on the left panel. See how many applications you've submitted and which ones are still active or expired. Don't miss out on opportunities. Customize your job alerts. Once you've created your search, activate alerts and decide how often you'd like to receive them, daily or weekly. You'll get the newest matching jobs directly by email. The Salary Trends tool helps professionals understand compensation patterns across sectors and regions. It gives you real-time insights into average salaries and benefits based on thousands of records. Use advanced filters to narrow your results. Below the filters, you'll find a graphical overview to help you benchmark and plan your next move. Now let's move on to explore funding opportunities and tenders, another powerful way to connect with international projects. Beyond job openings, Development Aid gives you access to funding opportunities that are often hard to find elsewhere. Filter for open tenders that match your experience and review project details to see how to apply. You can also explore forecast tenders, projects expected to open soon. It's a great way to plan ahead and prepare for future opportunities. Another useful opportunity is the shortlisted organizations section. These lists often contain contact information, so you can proactively reach out with your CV to companies already shortlisted for projects. Shortlists can be an alternative way to discover projects, but keep in mind that they don't offer immediate opportunities the way open tenders do. Country strategy papers, also known as country programming, are official donor documents that outline procurement strategies and partnership priorities over several years. They give you early insight into upcoming funding opportunities. You can access them through the Funding Tenders search page using the status filter. If you have your own project idea or research initiative, explore the Grants section. Filter by status and applicant type to find open calls for individuals, a great alternative for experts looking to lead or fund their own work. Country eligibility is another useful tool. It helps you verify whether specific countries or organizations are eligible to participate with a given donor. Select a country, a donor, or both, and you'll see eligibility instantly. The Funding Agencies section also provides access to procurement guidelines, formal rules explaining how donors work and what they look for when selecting experts. Knowing these principles can help you prepare stronger applications and proposals. In the Organization section, you can explore company profiles and see their awards history, how often they've been shortlisted or awarded by donors. Access to the sanctioned organizations list is equally important. It helps you avoid reputational risks by checking whether potential partners have been penalized. CV Broadcast is one of our most powerful visibility boosters. It shares your profile with thousands of hiring organizations in your sectors of expertise. You can also purchase this service separately. It's a simple and effective way to expand your reach to new employers. CV Tailoring is a personalized, two-way collaboration with our recruitment team. Together, we adjust your CV to highlight your strongest achievements and align it with donor expectations. This service can also be ordered separately if you prefer a one-time optimization. You can also open the Plan menu to see what percentage of the platform's potential you're currently using. It's a great overview of your progress and engagement. You can upgrade your membership anytime, depending on your needs. When you're ready, reach out to member support or your assigned career advisor. They'll help you choose the best fit for your professional goals. Being part of the Development Aid community means more than just access to opportunities. It connects you with knowledge, stories, and inspiration. Explore the news section for industry insights, articles, and upcoming events. Don't forget about our webinars, where you can learn from leading experts and watch previous sessions anytime. By publishing your own articles, you can even be featured in our blog or social media for your professional journey. You now know how to make the most of your membership. Thank you for being part of our global expert community. Together, we turn expertise into impact.